Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to clean your Apple EarPods. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a pair of Apple EarPods. They can have the headphone jack or the lightning connectivity. That is not the main focus. The main focus is the EarPods themselves. So we can uncoil the wire and then redirect our attention to the EarPods. If we focus, we can then see how dirty the EarPods really are, or how dirty they get after some use. Maybe a couple of months, maybe a year or so. So we can take the cotton bud and then draw circles, and we can see the dirt is now being picked up. Do this a couple of times. Use the other side to do the same thing to the smaller speakers on the EarPods. And we can now see the EarPods are getting cleaner after we clean using the cotton buds. I think that is done. Maybe some more cleaning on top. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.